Frazier here, joining Edward Keyte's MLM Lead Pro, and this video is basically just a couple reasons why I wanted to join it. So first off, I've always loved Edward Keyte's work. He's a guy, I met him at an event along, I don't know, maybe like 6, 7, 8 years ago, and I've known him online since before then, so I've known him for a good amount of time. Very educated, very smart. I think he's very analytical, very calculated, very systems-oriented type person. And his systems he puts together are always head and shoulders above a lot of the stuff that I see out there. So basically, his MLM Lead Pro is free to join. However, there's there's multiple opportunities in it, but the first opportunity is Affiliate Mentor. The second opportunity, I think, is Save Club. However, it works with Leads Leap, and it's a way. So, for example, if you're familiar with Leads Leap, you know they have a double opt-in. So basically, when somebody comes to your capture page, they put in their email. They have to click the confirm email. A lot of times that may or may not happen. His system kind of bypasses that. If you use his capture pages. So that's one thing that I kind of liked. Two, I was an Affiliate Mentor for a while, but I didn't quite know where to position it until I seen, first I saw Ahmed Ali came up with a Leads Leap system for it, and then I saw Ed had replaced one of his opportunities here with it. But what I like, not even about the opportunity, it's about the training and the structure he puts behind it. I've always loved using his share codes. And in fact, my crypto retirement plan is all basically using his share code, the way he lays out websites. So, and it's really not even the programs. It's like how things are set up. The one thing I do want to share, a couple things I want to share in this video. Try not to make it too long. But let's go to strategies. Under the strategies section, he literally, not just him, other people who are using this system and are getting signups, is sharing the exact sources that he's using to get results. So for example, how I get daily leads and upgrades using my lead gen secret. And he has a whole PDF that details this plan. Not to mention that you can take his same success, promote this PDF, and it goes to your links. So same thing with Smart Solo Ads, Leads Leap. It goes on down the line. It's not just Ed Keyte talking about it, but Ed Keyte, he's right now 1,037 referrals. So if you want to learn what's working, you have to get around people who are making things work. So here you see he's laying out the exact steps, the exact strategies, the exact traffic sources, and not to mention other people. So this lady, I don't know, Parmati, 343 referrals using World's Profits built-in traffic, has the PDF right there. M3, I heard a lot of people are using that. This person, I can't say the name, I don't know how to pronounce the name, 40 referrals. Like, Scale Up, Steven Z, so I don't know how many referrals he has, but there's 4 people who upvoted it, so, and I also use Scale Up. So the thing is, the system is working. They're taking what they're doing that's proven and sharing it, so you can duplicate and you have a way to promote that same thing. So it's just building on each other. So it was really looking at this extreme targeted traffic. Guys talking about traffic authority. He has 105 referrals. So you have to think, if these guys are getting referrals and these guys are referring you to certain things, it's in your best interest to do those same things so you can get those same results. And they got 3 votes here, and it has a PDF. Again, that PDF, you can read, join, follow the plan in the PDF, and actually promote the PDF to other people, and then you get signups that way. So I'm going to just click on this thing just to see what it looks like. Show you what it looks like. Hopefully my country bumpkin Wi-Fi makes it load. I'm going to go up here, click on another one. So here is the one guy. Bear with me. Again, I live out in the boondocks. Our Wi-Fi isn't the best. Probably another reason why I'm studying IT, to kind of get into figuring out how we can get better Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm having issues with that one, but we'll go up here. I'll click on this one. Let's see. One of these will load. Again, this is just a me thing. So here, stream targeted traffic. He has a strategy. Blah blah blah. Talks about it. Blah blah blah. Start here. That's the referral link. Now, when you sign up and join, you can promote these same PDFs to other people. Same thing here. This one was my lead gen secret strategy shared by Edward Keyte himself. Go down, read, blah blah blah. Look at his proof. 500 signups or 500 whatever, 3 upgrades. Scroll on down, you can see the proof. Click right there, join, and then you join. You promote MLM Lead Pro. You get signups. You promote this PDF. You get signups there. You see what I'm saying, and it starts building. Not to mention, the training site has whole kinds of different trainings about the system. Again, the system's free to join. I highly suggest getting on board with the affiliate mentor, the buyers list creator. It's a one-time $25. So you can basically maximize this whole system. It's really just affiliate mentor and leads leap. If you get those two, then that's a good start. You don't need to join a lot of the other stuff just yet. But again, he has so much value here, and it connects with Leads Leap, which is one of the best marketing systems out there, in my opinion. Not to mention, you can promote your own primary business as well. So instead of me promoting my primary business, I'm promoting the back Power Lead System AI Academy, and then the rest of my programs in a line. Basically, the idea is to use this as a way to generate buyer leads, to tap into what these other guys are doing that's proven to work, and then just putting your system in it. So basically, if you're following me, I'm putting this number one. So we got my MLM Lead Pro, number one. And then in my MLM Lead Pro back office, I connect my AI Automation Academy with Power Lead System. In the back office of Power Lead System, I connect my digital growth community. And then in my 2-hour workday, that's where I connect my crypto retirement plan about primary business. So it's basically it's a step ladder, like Russell Brunson talks about. You come in, you join the free cheapo stuff in the front end, and then it's a step ladder, and basically it's just 4 steps. MLM Lead Pro, number one. The training, it's very internet marketing, worldwide. It's not hard. It's a very easy addition. MLM Lead Pro, number one. PLS AI Academy, AI Automation Academy, number 2. Number 3, Digital Growth Community. And number 4, my 2-hour workday, which is Second Splash Leads Leap. And it ties into my crypto retirement plan. That's it. I said I wasn't going to add something, but Ed has just so much value in here that it's hard to just not add it to what I'm doing. And, you know, we have a great connection. If you need anything, ask me. I'll ask him. Putting together a traffic rotator for this thing. I don't know what else to say. MLM Lead Pro, Ed Keyte. This is his best work yet. I said that about his last system. And I said that about his last system. He puts so much into it. So many different lead capture pages, so much training. I don't want to click on too much stuff here because I don't want to reveal any of my back office. But again, it's just right here. And you can submit your own strategy if what you're doing is working. So again, 1,037 referrals. He's telling you what he's doing. 343 referrals. They're telling you what they're doing. 40 referrals. They're telling you what they're doing. 56 referrals. 105 referrals. Anyway, Rob Frazier here, wrapping this up. The link is below the video. We will see you in the next one. Peace.